Hello, we're the team. We're here to help fix the damage.
Thank you. It's the roof, mostly.
We'll take a look. We'll get this sorted for you. 17.5.
Got it.
And the height is 8.2. OK, so this is the layout we're thinking.
Right, and if we open up this space here...
Exactly, and then this section here for the windows.
Oh, I see. It's perfect. It's beautiful.
All right, these boards go near the entrance. Copy that. Let's organise these tools by function.
OK, team, let's secure the area. Checking the doorway now. We're ready, boss.
Keep it steady. Watch that beam. Got it. Putting it on the pile. Next, the corner. Careful of the wiring. All right? All right, slowly to the left. Careful with the edges. Ready on the ground here. Watch the beam. It's rotten. Clear. Carry it out now. Yes, boss. Watch the corner. Clear that side first.
All right, measure that section carefully.
Got it at 12.
Got it, looks like 12 feet. Let's mark that for reinforcement. Keep it steady, check that alignment again. Moving this out now. Ready for the mesh.
Keep it tight. Need 3 more feet here. Check the level now.
Keep it steady, looking good.
A bit more here, that's the one.
Perfect, well done, team.
Thanks, boss. Keep it square, check the line.
Right, boss.
Another brick here.
Okay, team, let's get the first truss in place. Aligning the center, checking the angle. Perfect. Now secure it. Moving on to the next section. Done. Looking good.
We're making great progress now, ma'am.
Yes, it's looking wonderful.
Should be weatherproof by dark.
Perfectly level. Okay, let's get the glass in.
She's going to love this.
Fits like a glove. Looks fantastic.
Measure twice, cut once, team. Check the alignment here. Looks good, boss. Securing it now.
Almost done in the kitchen.
Great, let's get the bathroom wrapped up. Good work, keep it smooth. Need more mix, boss. Yes, quickly, we're almost done here. Looking good, nearly finished. Measure twice, cut once.
Looks perfect. Keep it coming.
Just need these final pieces. Almost done now.
Oh, it's beautiful. You just wait and see, Margaret.
Looks perfect now, boss. What do you think, team?
Oh, it's beautiful. All right, grout's done.
Check the faucet flow.
Connections are good.
Perfect. The paint is looking great. Smooth strokes there. Getting the corners now. Wonderful, it's finished. All right, let's see.
It's working.
Looks good, Dad.
Beautiful.
Finish this area, smooth the mortar here.
It looks so beautiful.
That corner needs attention.
Yes, boss.
Keep it clean around the edge there.
Looks great. Let's move to the window.
Fantastic job, team. Absolutely fantastic.
The plan is to create a clean path here and move the stones.
Right, understood.
Then, rake these beds for planting. Oh, it's absolutely perfect. Just what I imagined. Thank you all.
Oh my. Oh, it's just so beautiful. I can't believe it. Thank you. Oh, it's so beautiful. Just how I imagined. Oh, it's beautiful. I can't believe this is real. Thank you all so much. It's beautiful.
Our pleasure, ma'am. We're so glad you like it.
Like it? I love it. Thank you all so much. I'm so overwhelmed. It looks amazing. We're so happy for you.
You deserve it.
Well, I think this will be just fine. Welcome, I'm so glad to see you all.
Hello there, wonderful to see you too. The place looks incredible.
Yes, absolutely stunning, we love it. I'm so happy with it.
We're really proud of the work we did here.
I absolutely love the new sofa.
We're glad to hear that.
And this entrance to the kitchen is perfect. Thank you. It's all just wonderful. It looks absolutely lovely. I couldn't be happier. Fantastic job on the roof. They're so wonderful. Oh, you're looking so lovely, aren't you? Perfect. Perfect. Just perfect.
Good morning. Hello.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a lovely day.
Welcome back, Mrs. Davis. Your garden is ready for you.
Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much.
Look at this beautiful garden, ready for your fresh start.
Oh, it's perfect. Thank you so much. Look at you growing. You'll love it here. Oh, that's just perfect.